Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you could see from the video, today I'm doing something a little different. I wanted to take you guys along a random Friday in my life and just show you guys a little behind the scenes of a nail artist and content creator. So I usually start my day off with coffee, as you could see from the first clip, and then I am going ahead and now editing a video. So I like to do the video editing the first thing in the morning so that I have the whole day for it to like upload, because it actually takes like a few hours for it to actually upload to YouTube. So I like to have my videos up. I don't really care like what time I upload, like I don't have a specific schedule, but I like to have them up around between 12 to 3. And if I upload later than that, it's just because I feel like it, like for fun. But I usually like to have them up earlier in the day. As you can see, my kitty decided that he wants to cuddle. He does this to me every single time I try to edit a video. Without fail, he's always here. So yeah, he is such a mommy's boy. If you guys hear the crying in the back, that's my other cat. But here I am just editing the video, and then once I'm done with that, I will start having breakfast. I usually don't have breakfast first thing in the morning. I usually just have my coffee, and then I'll like edit, and then I'm going ahead and having breakfast now. So I'm just doing a breakfast sandwich and a yogurt with some strawberry. I'm on a little bit of a health journey right now, so I try to just watch what I eat every day. And this is like my go-to breakfast. This is something that works for me. I'm like a really sweet and salty type of person. I can't really have just something sweet for breakfast. Is anybody else like that? I just can't. I don't know why. So I like having the yogurt with something on the side. Usually I'll do something like this, or like an avocado toast or something. So once I'm done with that, then I will go ahead and start picking up around my desk. I have to kind of clean up a little bit, pick up some things that just shouldn't be there, like these gloves I used the night prior, and then just basically pick up some other things like this charger shouldn't be there. Pretty random. But then I'm gonna go ahead and wipe my desk down. I have to film some content, as in like just film my nails. Like I always post them on my Instagram. I know some of you guys might not have Instagram, but I post my nails on there a lot, like I do here on YouTube Shorts. Even if I don't record the tutorial, I will post the finished products on there. So I'm going ahead and recording that right here for my Instagram, for my shorts, and also for just like everything basically. And once I'm finished with that, I'm going to continue picking up around my desk. The reason why I like to record my nails right away after I'm done editing and cleaning up a little bit is because I like to post my reels also a little bit during the day. I don't like to post reels at night too often, just because I feel like I'll get more like people will see it more if I post it during the day. I still don't know if that theory is correct, because my engagement's been super low on Instagram, but it's not that big a deal to me. I still post. And then after I'm done with that, I'm gonna have to get started on my nail sets for the day, as in my customers' orders. So I'm going ahead and writing out the orders that I got a few days prior, or like all the orders that I've gotten before this day. I like to write them out on this little book. I still do everything on paper. Like I don't do anything digitally, which I probably should eventually, but I'm planning on opening my launching my website soon. So everything's going to have to be digital, whether I like it or not. So I'm just like soaking in, writing everything out, because that's just the way I like to do it. So I write down the customer's name, like Instagram handle, and then I'll write down their order and exactly how many sets they ordered. And then after that, I saw that I had a few freestyles to make, so I'm looking for some inspo here. I like to find my inspo on Pinterest. It is literally my go-to. I find so many cute things on here. So I just will scroll and find things that I like and save it to a board. I have a board called Nail Inspo, or like Nail Drawing Inspo. So once I'm finished with that, I usually get started on my nail sets right away. Right now, I'm just doing a simple one first. I usually like to do my simple sets first before the harder ones, just to get them out of the way, kind of. And this one is just a basic French, which I know is not simple. It's actually really hard, and it does take a while to make, but I mean simple as in the fact that I don't have to do any thinking to make this. I already know what to do. And if I'm making like a freestyle or a character nail set, I have to go back in and actually like look for inspo and write out my ideas and things like that. Or sometimes I'll just wing it. As you guys know from some of my videos, I just wing it. But yeah, this is just a basic French set, and I want to start like switching up the angles and making the video more engaging for you guys and make you guys feel not just so like one-sided with the angle. Like I know I do overhead a lot. I want to start doing like side views and just close-ups of the nails that I'm making and stuff, so that you guys have a little bit of a closer shot. So once some of the orders are finished, I'm going to go ahead and package them up. I did already file them and put them away, which I didn't get on camera because these are some orders I had to ship already previously. So I'm just going ahead and packaging those up. I like to wrap them in a ribbon, really cute, and just make the packaging really special, as special as I can make it, like with the stuff that I have. So I'm doing some ribbon here in this really pretty purple color. It matches the sticker, my sticker logo. I'm just going ahead and putting it on there and wrapping it, and then I'll go ahead and put the application kit in and everything like that. But yeah, so I'm basically just like packaging the order. I literally get so cold when I'm at my desk. It's either like I get really, really hot when all the lights are on because I have 3 lights, or I'll end up getting really, really cold, and I end up having to like put a sweater on, and then sometimes I have to take the sweater off when I'm making nail sets because these little lints, like the little lint from like hoodies and stuff, will get all over the nails without me even trying. Like it'll just get in random places. So I like to take my hoodie off and just wear like a t-shirt or something more simple that doesn't have a lot of lint when I'm making orders. And then when I'm packaging, I'll like put my sweater back on, or if I'm filing, I'll put my sweater back on. But yeah, it just gets super, super cold. I have like a tiny little heater that I'll turn on sometimes, but I don't like to use it too often. Literally, I'm like that Katy Perry song, like I'm always hot and then I'm cold. Like every 5 minutes I'm like something different. I'm either hot or I'm cold. That's kind of random, but yeah. So I'm just making sure the bow is really pretty right here. I like to kind of perfect it, even though it doesn't really matter, it's just going to get opened anyway, but I'm going ahead and doing that. And then this is what it looks like, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the application kit. So I'm putting in some nail files, and then for bigger orders I like to add extra nail files, extra glue, extra cuticle wipes. I add an extra of everything just because, you know, why not. This order is getting a really cute little lotion as well that I got, and then I'm putting in some extra alcohol prep pads as well. I like to do 2 prep pads per 1 set of nails, and I feel like there's no reason why I shouldn't be able to apply, or why I shouldn't be able to add extra glue and buffers and stuff into the set. If I already provide this for free per 1 nail set that people order, I feel like I should just be adding extras into the baggie for them for their other nail sets that they order when they order more than 1. So I just go ahead and do that. Here I am just packaging it up, and I'm not putting the label on just because, you know, because I'm recording, but this is what my poly mailers look like, or the bubble mailers. I like to use the bubble mailers. They have a little more protection. I have this really cute thank you sticker that I put on there as well. I will put that, it just says like thank you for supporting my small business, and then now I'm gonna do the rest of the packages. So once that's done, I actually also had a size kit that I have to send out. So this is my size kit. I have the instructions written right there on the bottom, like printed on there, and then I have a spot for them to write their left hand and their right hand sizes. I actually recently reordered these size kits, but I have a whole video on how you can create your own on Canva. I also want to do a video on how to create your own thumbnails and your own kind of like infographics for Instagram. I actually get a lot of questions on that from a lot of people, so I want to make a video on how to do it. It's so simple and easy. All you need is Canva. That's all I use, is one app, and you could do everything on that. So it's really helpful. Canva is like a lifesaver for me, honestly. And the size kit that she ordered is a medium coffin, so I'm going ahead and putting the medium coffin nail tips on here. Just putting them size 0 to 9. It comes with, or 0 to 10, I think. And then I'm going ahead and putting them on there. And I just try to line them up really nice. I still ship my size kits with an envelope and a stamp, and it hasn't been working for me. A lot of people have been saying that they haven't received it, which I don't know if they're actually not receiving it or if they're just saying that. I have no idea. So it sucks because I want to keep my size kits at $5, but I can't afford to pay an additional $5 just to ship it out, because it's around $4 to $5 just to ship with a like an actual USPS shipping label. So I try to keep this price of the size kit as low as possible by shipping it in an envelope with a stamp. But honestly, I don't know, sometimes people tell me that they never get it, and then they never even message me back to order. So I don't know if they actually don't get it or if they're just saying that. I have no idea. So it just really sucks. And then it also takes kind of a long time to get to them, like 8 to 10 days. So I think I'm gonna have to just up the price of my size kits to whatever price, like probably $8, so that way I could go ahead and ship it out with the actual tracking number. So that's something that I'm struggling with at the moment. So here I am. I wrote down what the length and shape is, and then I also wrote down the actual numbers on the nails, because the numbers are so small, some people might not be able to see it. I try to keep in consideration that not everybody has the same eyesight, so I like to write it out for them so they know exactly what number fits them best, and they don't have to struggle to like look at it super up close and try to see what number it is. So I did that with the Sharpie, and then now I'm going ahead and I'm just closing it up. This one comes with the little closing things. I get all of my stuff from Amazon, like my packaging things, like the little glue tape thing that I use to stick the nail tips on, and then also this clear little, I don't know what this is called, envelope thing, and then also the regular envelope also from Amazon. I like these envelopes because I don't have to like lick the seal or anything. I just peel it off and it's ready to go, and I just go ahead and do that. So once that's all ready, I am going ahead and I am recording a TikTok. I like to just record like a quick TikTok or a quick short. I know TikTok might be getting deleted, so these are just going to be for shorts and for reels now, if TikTok does get deleted. But my point is that I'm just recording some Valentine's Day content. I still haven't got a chance to upload it, but I was recording a really cute 3D or a really cute blooming gel rose design. And then after I'm done with that, I will take my packages to the post office and I will go to the gym. So this is my daily routine. As of lately, I've been going to the gym every single day. So I go either early in the morning or later on in the day. I absolutely hate going, you guys. I'm not a gym girl, but my boyfriend likes to go, so I go with him. He's been trying to get me into weights and stuff, so hopefully like I'll start getting into that later. But by this time my energy's super low sometimes, so I just go ahead and drink some of this. Sometimes I'll ask him to share one with me because I don't want to drink the whole thing, and then I'll go ahead and just go on the treadmill for a little bit. When you have a job like mine, all of you guys that do nails, it's really important to just go out and walk. Even if you have the ability to be able to walk around your neighborhood, I can't really do that because where I live is not really that walkable, but basically I like to do this just to get up for a little bit. I barely realize that this is just super important for someone that has a desk job like me. That's really important just because we're sitting for so long. At this point, I've already had dinner and everything, so it's right before bed and I will drink a tea. I'm grabbing spearmint and bedtime tea. I have a really bad habit of not being able to sleep at night for some reason, so hopefully this like starts to help me. And then I will read a book. I promised myself in the new year that this is something I will do every night, so I've been reading. I'm almost done with this book, A Court of Thorns and Roses. It's so good. But yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. This is a day in my life. Let me know if you liked it. I can do more videos like this, more fun ones, like me shopping, me going to the nail supply if you guys want to see something like that. So yeah, if you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.